Hi everyone, this is Allie Cope. I just wanted to take a minute to record a quick video to help you with embedding your JavaScript outside of a function. So I feel like there's a lot of confusion about this, and so hopefully you'll find this helpful. So here is just a very basic HTML page, and you can see here I've got my footer. And in my footer, I have this span that I've created this ID from JS. Over here in my JavaScript, I've got my document get element by ID from JS. So this is now going to come locate down here and .inner HTML. So that's going to write within the HTML whatever I put here in between these quotes. Now, because my link here to my script is after the rest of the page has loaded, when the browser goes to load this script, it's going to run this JavaScript written right here. Now, normally, if you were to write something inside a function, when the function is called, it executes all of the script written between the curly braces. So because this is not wrapped inside a function or wrapped inside curly braces, it's not going to wait to be executed. It's going to happen immediately. So let me show you what that will look like. I've got my live preview over here. So I'm just going to type, hello, I am written from JavaScript. Okay. So now I save that and it automatically updates right here. See, hello, I'm written from JavaScript. So that loads immediately as soon as the page hits that script source down here. So you can write all the rest of your code to get your new day or whatever else you need to do to embed that. And then as long as you've got this document get element ID and your unique ID for your link down here in your footer, that should work great. So hopefully you found this helpful, and best of luck.